afternoon, children. Today we are going to do some. We are going to solve some problems of molecular formula. Okay, this is there in the exercise only. It is in page number 49. So from that exercise, we are going to do some questions. So first of all, question number 5. Let me write the molecular formula. On this topic, we are going to solve some questions. This is from exercise 2. Exercise 2 of page number 49. Question number 5. State the difference between the following. So 2H and H2. What is the difference between 2H and H2? 2H is, this is 2 atoms of hydrogen. 2 atoms of hydrogen, and this is 1 molecule of hydrogen. Okay, next we have, this is 5A. Next we have 5B, that is, what is the difference between H2O and 3H2O? H2O and 3H2O. So this is 1 molecule of water, H2O, this is, and 3H2O, you know, this is 3 molecules of water. So this is the difference between H2O and 3H2O. Next we have question number 6, that is state the number of atoms of each element present in glucose. So number of atoms of each elements. Okay, so number A, we have C6H12O6. This is glucose. So here I am not writing the full name. So carbon, how many carbon atoms we have here? Number 6. We have hydrogen, 12 hydrogen atoms we have. And how many oxygen atoms? It is 6. So number of carbon atoms 6, number of hydrogen atoms 12, and number of oxygen atoms 6. Okay, next number B, H2SO4. H2SO4. This is the formula of sulfuric acid. So here how many hydrogen atoms are present? 2. How many sulfur atoms? 1 sulfur atom is there. And oxygen atoms, how many? This is 4. Okay, next we have HNO3. This is the formula of nitric acid. So here hydrogen, number of hydrogen atoms, 1 atom of hydrogen, nitrogen atom 1, and oxygen, how many? This is 3. So 1 hydrogen, 1 nitrogen, and 3 oxygen atoms. Next we have calcium carbonate. This is marble or chalk, the formula of marble or chalk. Okay, next calcium, 1 molecule of calcium, 1 atom of calcium, or 1 molecule of calcium we can say, 1 carbon atom, and how many oxygen atoms? 3. Okay, so this is the number of atoms present in this molecules, and also we have to name this compounds. This is glucose, this is sulfuric acid, this is nitric acid, and this is marble or chalk, that is calcium carbonate. Next we have question number 7. we have question number 7, that is write the molecular formula. Write the molecular formula of compounds calcium oxide. Calcium oxide. Molecular formula of calcium oxide is CaO. Next, hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen sulfide. This is H2S. Carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide. This is CO. Next we have lead sulfide. Lead sulfide. This is PbS. Next, this is the molecular formula of these compounds. Next we have question number 8, that is, here we have to give two example of each, two example of solid. Two example of solid. Here we can give the example of like calcium carbonate. This is in solid form. This is marble or chalk. Next we can give sodium chloride, NaCl, that is common salt. Okay. Here we have to write down the name also. Sodium chloride, this is common salt. This is calcium carbonate, that is marble or chalk. Next, example of liquid. Example of liquid. This is, we can give as sulfuric acid. H2SO4 we can write. We can write water, H2O. Okay. Next, gaseous compound. Gaseous compound we can write here. Hydrogen sulfide, this is a gas, H2S. Hydrogen sulfide, we can write carbon dioxide, this is also a gas, or carbon monoxide also we can write here. Okay, so these are the examples of gaseous substance, gaseous compound. This is liquid compound, and calcium carbonate and sodium chloride, these two are solid compounds. Okay. So this is all for today. You just revise these things, and which examples I have given. If other than this, any other example, suitable example is there, that also you can give. It's not that you have to write this only. Okay, so any suitable example you can write of your own. Okay, so do in that way.